Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what is ReelShort app and how to install that. So let's get started. So basically, let me explain you. So basically, ReelShort app sheet here is basically this app is a copy of your Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Okay. So here you can just use to see the videos of the movies. Okay, of in between the episode. So to install that, you will just open your Google Play Store. Okay, and search for ReelShort. So here we can see the ReelShort app. You can click on here at install and you can install that app and you can use it. So by this way you can do it, and if you have any review you can just put the review as well. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.